Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Sistering with Mel and Lynn. Hi, Lynn.
Well,
Okay, so ganito. Nag-evaluate kami ni Lynn ng mga past episodes namin. Like, ito yung mga episodes na wala pang video. Like, yung mga 2022 episodes. Tapos,
21.
21, yeah, 21 and 22. Ay, nga, dalawang episode na pala tayo ng 2022. So, anyway, so, um, we found out na ito yung most listened to episode. I don't know kung naaalala nyo pa, or kung napakinggan nyo, or kung gusto nyo pakinggan. We will put the link dito sa episode
Below.
na to. Yeah. So, you can listen to it again. So, but the title is it bad to feel envious of my friend's success? So, itong topic na to, or itong episode na to, ang pinakamarami ang overall na nakinig. I don't know. Maybe relate tayong lahat dyan, one way or
Yeah.
another. Diba? What do you think, Lynn?
Yeah, may nabanggit ka dun sa episode na yon na sabi mo parang mostly din kasi nun triggered by social media. Tapos parang sabi ko most of the time naman parang kontento tayo sa with what we have. Pero the moment na nakita natin sa social media yung someone na parang classmate natin before or coworker, tapos parang mas maganda na yung buhay nila kaysa sa atin, dun na natitrigger, 'di ba, yung envy. So, kaya siguro parang maraming nakaka-relate kasi maraming nakaka-feel nung emotion na yun na parang kasi nga palagi tayo nasa social media. So, kaya triggered tayo lahat. 'Di ba? Triggered tayo lahat yan. So, guilty tayo lahat. Kaya siguro maraming nakinig nung episode na yon. Kasi 'di ba parang nakaka-guilty na parang hindi naman tayo masamang tao, pero bakit tayo naiinggit? Ba't
Or,
natin guilt?
or siguro may nagtatanong kaya nila pinakinggan kasi nafe-feel nila yon, and there's a question na nagiging masama na ba ako kasi nararamdaman ko to?
Yeah.
Diba? Parang, is this, am I becoming bad person dahil nararamdaman ko to? Yun ba ang ibig sabihin nun? So they are trying to find out.
Yeah.
So ngayon, let's discuss it further.
It's an emotion, and it says something, parang it offers clues. So it's not completely bad. It's not totally
Yes.
bad kasi it offers
Neither.
clues.
It's neither. It's just a feeling. It's just an emotion. So I
Yeah.
think it's more of what you do with how you feel.
Yeah, and it's not naman
Define.
parang yung the kind of envy na yung capital sin na parang you want to have what, you want to get or kunin mo kung ano yung meron siya. Parang
Yes.
gusto mo lang din sana na meron ka ding ganun.
Yes.
Yun. So, parang paulit-ulit yung sinasabi ko. So, to explain it,
Yeah,
better.
yan ang gusto ko. Yan ang gusto kong marinig. Kasi, Lynn wrote something about it. Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
dito
it's
sa
really
book ko.
nice. It's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I wrote something dito sa book na mas hindi siya paulit-ulit, mas straightforward. Ito. When you are making progress in your life, when you are seeing results, no matter how small, you feel happy. Even if you haven't achieved your end goal, your target earnings, your big project, or your ideal weight, but you're getting closer to it, you feel happy. When you are progressing, you will never feel miserable or left behind in life. When you are progressing, you will be so busy that you don't have time to compare yourself to other people. When you are progressing, you can be happy about other people's progress. If you ever feel sorry for yourself because your friends or colleagues are advancing in life and you're not, it's a sign that you need to improve. It's a sign that you should get to work. Take small, consistent actions toward your goals and dreams. Don't be exactly where you are a year from now. So, yun. That's just a part of,
Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda. Teka. Um, show them the book. Show them the book. Kasi para makita nila, yan. Wala pa yan sa
Hmm.
National Bookstore. Hello, National Bookstore. Maybe you can get it.
No, actually,
Sorry.
more, wala na masyadong bumibili ng book sa bookstore. Like yung
Oo,
physical, parang
totoo.
online na rin lahat.
But it's
So, ito,
really
you
still
can,
nice. It's still nice to buy like physical book. So
yeah,
please, yeah, please add the link to where they can buy the book and get a
yeah, we
copy. I
will
have
add
my
the link.
copy, by the way. I have my own copy, of
Yay!
course. So yeah,
So,
para
yeah, we
mabasa
will,
nyo din.
yeah, we'll link the Amazon store and also Lazada. We'll link
Oh,
the store.
nice. Sige. So
For
yan.
free
At
shipping.
dahil dun sa kinuwento ni Lynn, meron akong patotoo dyan. Like, it happened to me. Oh, ito, hindi to chismis kasi sa akin. Kwento ko to. Pero may
Okay.
kwento ako. It's about, pero hindi ko rin papangalanan kasi nahihiya ako. Anyway, pwede nyo namang hulaan. Pero hulaan nyo na lang. So, I remember. Pero huwag nyo na saan sabihin. Basta nahihiya. Siyempre, nahihiya ako. Basta ganun. Um, pero for sure maalala niyo that there's before I launched Cacao Bistri, like my chocolate brand, marami namang nauna talaga sa akin ng chocolate maker. And hindi ko naman talaga naiisip na darating sa point na ilo-launch ko siya sa public, like for selling. Like, this is like, gusto ko lang for my family, for my kids, most especially, tsaka for friends, diba? Ganun lang naman
That's how
talaga
it
siya.
started, yeah.
Yes. But then, syempre, interested na ako sa mga nagka-craft chocolate dito sa Philippines, especially mga local. So, again, going back to social media. So, I was scrolling and then I saw this very, how can I say this? Uh, ambitious looking na ang ganda-ganda na chocolate brand, local chocolate brand, na ang ganda talaga ng packaging niya. Then I remember, I screenshot it and then I sent it to Linda. Parang sobrang I set a caption na nakakainis. Parang nabwisit ako sa ganda nito. Like, parang gano'n. Totoo.
Yeah.
Like,
Parang alam ko na.
yeah, diba? You remember? Sobrang ganda niya talaga kasi na parang hindi mo ma-imagine na parang it's a reimagination of chocolate. Parang hindi mo
Yeah,
ma-imagine na chocolate lang ang laman nito. Ang ganda-ganda nung box,
yeah.
ganyan. So parang ang naramdaman ko talaga doon, two things, inggit at inis. Nainis ako sa sobrang ganda. Yung ganon yung dating. But then, kagaya nung sinasabi ni Lee, you just have to make a progress and you have to have that kind of emotion. I think God allowed that emotion para sa akin, for me to recognize na may ganon, and for me to see that also. And then it inspired me to move forward, to keep on doing, to progress on my chocolate making. Hindi ko na yun naisip ulit. Actually,
Mm-mm.
pagkatapos, it's more for appreciation lang talaga yung time na yun. Hindi ko na siya inisip and I'm not even competing until now. Until right now na napag-usapan natin. At hindi rin naman ako makikipag-compete sa kanya at all. I respect them because they were ahead of me and all.
Mm.
At malaki din talaga ang pinuhunan nila, like to
Yeah.
to advance the Philippine craft chocolate industry, no? And I support them. I clap for them, no? Sila talaga yung mga nauna sa akin.
Yeah.
Pero dahil nag-progress ako because of that tiny inggit ko talaga and inis ng konti, sobra talaga yung pagka-admire ko sa kanya na naging ganun na yung dun sa packaging na yon, na kasama ko na siya ngayon sa shelves.
Oh,
Ah, di
di
ba?
ba?
Hindi
Side
ko
by
na
side na kayo
sinadya.
sa
Yes. Sometimes, side by side. Minsan, nandito ako sa taas, sila naman nandito. Basta makatabi ko na sila, ganyan. Nakakatawa. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Actually, ngayon ko lang talaga naalala. Kaya gusto kong i-share na parang patotoo to what you said in your book. Na you just have to keep on progressing. And you don't mind, when you're busy doing something, when you're too focused on improving your own craft, hindi ko na nga naisip yun noon na may packaging. May packaging is so much different. Ibang-iba doon sa kanila.
Mm-mm.
As in, it wasn't even inspired by that. Nag-focus lang ako together with my designer kung ano yung gusto ko, kung ano yung, it's not even what I want. It's about what kind of value this product would like to give. What kind of emotion it would like to give its customers. The warmth, diba? The connection, and the honor to the Philippine land, to the land, 'di ba? Parang ganon.
Yeah, so
So
in the end,
magkaiba siya.
yeah,
In
so
the
in
end,
the end,
naging maganda siya.
hindi mo siya parang kinopya, 'di
Yes,
ba?
yes, not
Kahit
totally
nainggit
hindi.
ka.
Yes,
Yeah.
kahit nainggit ako. Pero I know ngayon na-realize ko when you were reading it, I know na nag-spark yon ng pagpupursige ko na mag-continue, improve. I-improve ko yung sarili ko na hindi pwede yung pwede na lang. Yung gawa-gawa ko lang sa Canva, there's nothing wrong, pero gumawa ka sa Canva, but hindi naman ako magaling. So, kung ako lang ang gagawa ng design, kahit pa sophisticated app yan or whatever, hindi pa rin niya magiging maganda kasi hindi ako. So, I trusted my designer, anong magagawa mo, ganyan. So, he came up with a very, very me design, very cacao mystery design na yun na siya. And everybody, siguro wala pang nagsabi. For the record, wala pang nagsabing pangit. Hindi naman lahat raving. Wala naman nagsabi na nakakainis sa ganda yung packaging mo. Walang ganon. Walang kagala ko na umamin. Walang ganon. Pero, or at
Hindi
least
nila
walang nagsabi sa
inaamin.
Yes,
Parang
at
ikaw.
least walang nagsabi sa akin. Yeah, walang nagsabi sa akin or walang nag-share sa friend niya na ganon. Pero wala rin nagsasabing pangit. Maraming nagagandahan. Maraming nai-impress. I even got into the shelf of a
I
certain
think I
store.
have. Oh, ay, baliktad.
Oh, yeah, diba, yan. So,
Diba? It's so cute talaga. Ganda.
So, may mga reason na, because nagandahan sila sa packaging, they contacted us and asked us to have it on display. So, envy,
World class. Diba?
thank you, yeah. So, yun, yun yung parang sa akin na, that's why I continued. And hindi ako tumingin sa ibang, hindi ako nag-compare. I just keep on progressing. I just keep on improving. Until such time na, eto na siya. Ganyan na siya. And ngayon, na-realize ko, oo nga no, hindi ko sinasabing magka-level na kami. Pero, we are on the same shelf sometimes.
And
Oftentimes.
also, happy ka, you're happy for their
success. Yeah. I'm happy with their success. And I'm sure sana happy din sila sa akin. Yeah.
Yeah. Yun kasi yun yung parang kapag wala ka kasing improvement, eto ka pa rin sila nandun na. So, it's a sign, di ba? Parang it will give you a clue. So, yung pa rin yung sinabi natin before, it will give you a clue. So, you have to do the work.
Yeah, totoo yun. And kaya sa akin, envy is not in itself is bad. Sometimes we have to feel it.
Yeah.
The clue. Diba? The clue na, teka, I'm not doing enough or I'm not doing anything at all. Kaya, tumitingin ako, kaya ako nagko-compare, kaya ako ito nararamdaman. Because during that time, I was just scrolling. Wala pa naman akong brand na I'm not working on the brand. Meron na I have the formulation, we're enjoying it, pero hindi yun ang focus ko. It's not focused on launching it into a brand that it is right now. Yeah. Pero nung nag-focus na ako doon, hindi ko na naisip, nawalan ako ng time para mainggit sa packaging na ito.
Una, busy mo na, oo.
Yeah. So it is envy in itself, or being envious of maybe your friends, or kahit hindi mo pa friend, basta yung kaingit-ingit, wala namang masama. I mean, hindi siya masama. Sometimes in itself, um, we have to look at it in a way, in a positive way, na this will lead me or push me to doing something, or magtrabaho ako. It's a clue na, di ba? Mag-work hard pa ako, or inspire me more,
Yeah.
or
Use it to
do
inspire
more.
you or to light a fire in your butt para
Yes, yes.
so you
True,
should get
true.
through
Oo.
it.
Yeah, yeah. So parang, di ba, darating yung time na it's not naman that you're vengeful of dun sa pinagkakaingitan mo. Wala rin naman siyang masamang ginawa, di ba?
Yeah.
Ginalingan niya lang.
Yes.
So, galingan mo na lang
Hindi ka
din.
borel. Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Ganun lang yun. And then, di ba, everybody will be happy. And the world will be a better place, I guess, kapag ka ganun yung tingin natin sa envy.
Yeah.
Like, that's how we respond to envy.
Yeah. Yeah. So there, use envy to your advantage. Diba?
Oo, tama, tama. I like this episode. It's like, very short lang, very concise, pero I hope na send natin yung message across. And it's very, like, na malinaw. Kasi, well, living example, na nangyari talaga sa atin. And yung nasa, sa sinulat ni Lynn sa book, then you can read over and over dun sa book niya when you get a copy. So, you will be reminded
Yeah.
that envy is good somehow.
Yeah, and I hope we made you feel better. You know, we made you feel not so bad about yourself for feeling envious of your friends who
Or ashamed.
made it. Yeah, or ashamed that
No, there's nothing to be
you
ashamed. Ako nga inamin ko di ba? Kung
yeah,
nainis ka sa sobrang inggit,
yeah.
maybe it's time for you
Ganda
to do
naman kasi
something.
talaga. Ganda
Oo,
naman kasi
true,
talaga.
true. Oo. So, ganun. Kaingit-ingit naman talaga siya.
Yeah. Okay, so yun. With that, sabi nga ni Mel, ginalingan kasi nila, so galingan mo rin. 'Di ba? Okay. To our
Okay.
sisters, thank you again for hanging out with us. We hope you'll catch us again next time here on Sistering with Mel and Lynn. Thank you.
Bye.